Hi everyone, this is the Arm & Hammer OxiClean liquid detergent. So Arm & Hammer is already one of our favorite laundry detergents, but they powered it even more with the OxiClean to attack tough stains even better, you guys. I love the fresh scent that it comes with, and it's 128 loads, so it's definitely gonna wash a bunch of your clothes. I have 3 things that I want to point out to you guys with this bottle. Apart from the product, I really like the design of the bottle. Number 1, you get that handle. So whether you're taking it from the supermarket to the car, from the car to your house, or from the shelf to pour it into your laundry, it is amazing that it comes with such an easy to grip handle. The second thing is the spout. This is awesome if you need to get a bunch of this out, if you're moving it somewhere else like we do in a glass jar or anything like that. And third, and my favorite of course, is that it already comes with the cup that you need. Just like that, you have an extra cup with measurements as well, and an easy pour spout. So all you gotta do is press the top and liquid comes out the bottom. It is so easy. You can just set this on a surface and press it down to get all the liquid detergent you need. You guys, this product is amazing, from the actual product all the way to the bottle and the way it is made. I think you guys are gonna love this so much, and it's gonna have your clothes smelling, looking, and feeling so fresh. Go check out the Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent by Arm & Hammer.